Hi, I'm Rosie Davenport. I'm here with ezCater to talk about how I use data to coach my sales team. So on a really regular basis, I actually look at redemption of promo codes. What promo codes are being redeemed? When are they being redeemed? How are they being used? And then I track that back against our marketing promotion campaign and see what's working for us. I try to measure as much as possible the KPIs that I have control of. So, things like measuring our time to accept an order, our percentage of how many calls are we doing to actually confirm that order? What's the conversion rate potentially from our website to, an online booking? How long are we on the phone with guests? All those things that we are able to measure and measure period over period and eventually build a data warehouse for ourselves. That may not feel like a lot in the first couple weeks that you're pursuing those KPIs, but at the end of the year, and then at the end of your second year, and then your third year, it's gonna feel like you really have an understanding of your client and what affects them positively. So I think as sales and marketing leaders, none of us have a magic solution to what is gonna build catering sales all the time, every single day. It's kind of a give and take. But the one thing we all have is data. We all have sales data and data houses behind us that can tell us at any given time, do an A/B test. I recommend A/B testing. Send out a marketing campaign for a % off a specific catering item, and then do a $1 off amount. And those are two things. Let's see what resonates more with the consumer. Do they want a flat $20 off? Do they want 20% off? I mine our third-party partnerships for data as well. I'm constantly asking, what do our KPIs look like? How do we stack up in our segment? What can we be doing better? And that's ultimately gonna improve our bottom line. When we talk about engagement, it's really, is your customer engaged with whatever marketing promotion you're putting together? So an easy way to track that is if you have an e-club, send out an e-blast, give the customer something, and then see what comes back through, right? So, very, very simple marketing promotion. Understand what you can give away. Some brands do BOGOs, they do 25% off, $5 off. What is the thing that works for you? And if you can funnel those sales through a specific channel, say online or maybe through a call center, you're able to really track the engagement from that campaign.